How to delete a video without deleting the text in CapCut. This is super useful when you want to change the background video but keep your text overlays exactly how they are. So let's get started. Start by launching the CapCut and opening your project with the video and text already added, as I have already opened it. Now in the timeline, you'll see your video and text on separate tracks. As you can see, the text will be above it like this. Now click directly on the video clip in the timeline to select it like this. Make sure you don't click on the text layer by accident. Now just press the delete key on your keyboard or right click the video and select delete from the menu like this. As you can see, the video is gone, but your text stays exactly where it was. Now you can add a new video or image underneath it by simply importing from your gallery, and your captions or titles will still appear there. And that's how you generate a video without deleting text in CapCut. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.